Welcome to our comparison of two leading nugget ice makers, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop. Both machines promise to deliver delicious, chewable nugget ice, perfect for your favorite beverages. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, including ice production rates, pricing, and design features. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which ice maker suits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219, while the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop is slightly more affordable at $209. This small difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your money. Both machines offer similar features, but the lower price of the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop could be appealing for budget-conscious buyers. In terms of ice production, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, while the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop produces slightly less at 34 pounds. Both machines are designed for efficiency, with rapid ice production capabilities, but the Kismile model has a slight edge in terms of output, making it a great choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. Both ice makers feature a modern design suitable for any kitchen countertop. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is compact and stylish, while the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop has a sleek, stainless steel finish. The Kismile model includes a transparent lid for easy monitoring of ice levels, while the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop also offers a user-friendly interface. Ultimately, both designs prioritize functionality and aesthetics, making them great additions to your home or office. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop offer excellent features and performance. The Kismile has a slight advantage in ice production, while the Nugget Ice Maker's countertop is more budget-friendly. Consider your needs and preferences to make the best choice for your ice-making requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.